Hey everyone, Scott at Wicked Reports. Killer new feature to announce today, Google Audience LTV and ROI. Google has some great audiences that allow you to start targeting people rather than having to be super precise with what they're searching for or which display URL they're on. You can just search people based on some common characteristics and create audiences. And now Wicked Reports can tell you which audience is driving the ROI. It's killer. Let's get into it. These people-based Google audiences include custom lists, in-market audiences, and affinity, just to name a few. You can set up custom audiences, such as who searched for your competitors, and create that audience, and then Google will show the ads on display or on YouTube, Gmail, all Android, all their different properties. You can browse for ideas. Look at some of these. Dining, cooking, and enthusiasts. There are all sorts of categories, thousands of them, not to mention who's in the market to buy your stuff already. Google will use all their machine learning based on what people are searching on, what they're saying in their Gmail, what they're watching on YouTube, what websites they're visiting. Compile all that and just target them for you. It's powerful. It's really strong to combine this with discovery campaigns and use your best performing social on Google for lead gen. And then you can close them with all your other channels and have a new spigot of great leads. I particularly like the category-based, people-based targeting. I mean, when you see some of these results that we're going to show you, the categories alone can drive a lot of ROI. All you have to do to upgrade to this feature is absolutely nothing. It's in everyone's account starting today. Here's how it works. When you're in a ROI report for the campaign, just use the Campaign Explorer and go to the details screen. That's where I am now. And you'll see each campaign, but you'll also see the term field, which we've automatically mined to figure out which audience, if the audience was the criteria that triggered the ad. And then the content is the ad group. Now looking here, this is just 1 month since we've had this active. Let's look at some of the results. We have the category seafood for Mark here. He's making, I gotta put on my glasses for this. He's making 195%. Just choosing the category seafood and saying, Google, show people that like seafood. Keyword 3,000,006. This is aggressive auto targeting. You know that feature in Google where it says, hey, I might want to auto target people or rapid expansion or aggressive? Well, it worked here. $8,400 brought in 10 grand. Lobster keywords, you can put them in and just say, hey, people that are searching for this, but they happen to be not searching, they're doing something else on Google, show them this ad. That's called the custom intent, 92%. And then, of course, all your audiences you can create from Google Analytics. In this case, all converters. Well, all converters are converting again at 152%. So as you can see, it's a powerful feature. These names in here, other than this 3,000,006, that's just a weird Google thing. But all these other ones, these are the names of your audiences that you've created over in Google. When you create an audience name here under audiences, or when you're making an ad group, we're going to mine it if it triggers the ad and make it show up here. So that's all you need to do. Just want to tell you about this great new feature, a lot of power, particularly if you start moving your best performing social and start using it at your top of the funnel with Google. Combine this with our Google Optimizer, where we'll capture the G-CLIDs, push it into Google, and update Google whenever there's any revenue. Now you're going to start doing some solid optimization here with this feature. Thanks and have a great week.